Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th and our chapter is chapter 17. It's a construction. Chapter 17, construction. Before starting this chapter, you will need to have a compass, scale, and your protector, right? And in this, today we will study exercise 17A. Exercise 17A. In our exercise 17A, the question is given here. Draw a line AB and take a point P outside it. Draw a line CD parallel to AB passing through the point P. Means you have to draw a line. Question number first. You have to draw a line AB here. Draw a line AB and take a point P outside it. First of all, you have to draw a line. Okay, you have to draw a line of any measure. Don't need to measure the line of any length. Okay, किसी भी लेंथ की आप एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे इसमें ए बी, A and B here. After that, and take a point P outside it. You have to take any point P outside it. ये आपका P point है. Then draw a line CD parallel to AB. Now you have to draw a line CD which is passing through the point P and it should be parallel to AB. So what you have to do, you have make a point here P now by taking any arc. अब आप यहाँ पे कोई सा भी आर्क लेके एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल फ्रॉम हेयर, राइट, ऑफ एनी आर्क. ये आपका हाफ सर्कल. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ हाफ सर्कल हेयर. देन कट वन आर्क फ्रॉम हेयर, any one arc, this one. Okay, after that, now what you have to do, you have to make a line from this arc. आपको एक लाइन बनानी है इस आर्क में से. ये आपकी एक लाइन हो गई आर्क की. आफ्टर दैट ड्रॉ अ लाइन फ्रॉम P, right? Now what you have to do, you have to name them A, B. After that this is your Q, right? आपकी ये Q लाइन हो जाएगी. इसके बाद यहाँ पे आप इसको मेजर करेंगे, नेम देंगे X और इस आर्क को नेम देंगे Z. ओके, ये आपका आर्क एक P है ही. नाउ विद Q एज द सेंटर एंड एनी रेडियस ड्रॉ एन आर्क टू कट AB. हमने एक आर्क बना लिया ए बी को कट करने के लिए. एंड एक्स एंड पी क्यू एट जेड, एक्स और पी क्यू को जेड पे कट करने के लिए. देन विद पी एज द सेंटर एंड द सेम रेडियस ड्रॉ एन आर्क कटिंग क्यू पी. अब आपको पी एज अ सेंटर लेना है और एक आर्क बनाना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन फ्रॉम पी. Then you have to make an arc here also of any radius. इसमें आपकी रेडियस कोई सी भी रह सकती है. This is your radius. After that you have to draw an arc from here, from this side. Cut an arc टेक इट टूवर्ड्स डाउन ऑल्सो. इसमें आप डाउन में भी लेंगे. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कट एन आर्क फ्रॉम हेयर, दिस वन. ओके, आप एक आर्क यहां से भी कट करेंगे. देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ड्रॉ अ लाइन फ्रॉम हेयर. आपको एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेनी है दिस टू ज्वाइन P. ओके, after that with Y as a center, name them. This is Y, X, Y, Z and this is your E, right? Name them. After that this is your line CD which is parallel to your AB. You have to write the steps of construction also in this exercise. There are only 3 questions. First I have explained you. Now second question is, draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from it. You have to draw a line AB and CD and the distance is 3.5 centimeter. How you can draw? First of all, measure it. Now your second question. You have to draw a line CD here which is 3.5 centimeter. 3. After that, this is your distance between. The line should be of any measure. This is your line A and B. Now what you have to do, take an arc of any radius, right? Take an arc of any radius from both the sides. Now you have to, this is measure from your compass 3.5 centimeter. 3. After that your 0.5. This is your 3.5 centimeter. Now draw one from this side, half, and other from this side. Then cut it from here, 1, 2, here, and this one. After that, same you have to do like this, 1. Then one arc should be from here. After that, this one, 1 and 2. Now join them. You have to join these two lines. Join these two lines. Now what you have to do, you have to draw a the distance between these two lines is 3.5 centimeter. Now take a distance of 3.5 centimeter from here. This is your 3.5 centimeter is here, right? Now draw another line which is of 3.5 centimeter and it is parallel to your AB. Name it C and D. Okay, this is your question number second. Now the question number third is, draw a line L and draw another line M parallel to L at a distance of 4.3 centimeter from it. The question number second and question number third is same. Homework is you have to do question number third. Okay, question number third you have to do. This is your homework of exercise 7. In our next class, we will discuss exercise 7B. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.